Ayan, so here is the sample problem number 12 natin from CE Board May 2017. So, ang problem natin is, what is the atmospheric pressure in kPa at the base of a mountain if a mercury barometer reads 700 mm at that location? So, ano yung magiging atmospheric pressure daw natin doon sa base ng mountain, which is nilagay doon yung mercury barometer, which is 700 mm yung nabasa ng mercury barometer natin at that location. So from the formula na pressure, so pressure is equal to gamma H. Ayan, so hahanapin natin yung pressure. So given muna tayo, ayan. So given tayo ng 700 mm, so that would be our H. And then mercury, so gamma is equal to mercury. Ayan. So 9.81 times 13.6. Ayan. So ito yung gamma or unit weight ng mercury. And then pinapahanap sa atin is the atmospheric pressure or the pressure. So ito, paano nakuha itong 9.81? So, di ba from the formula na specific gravity or the SG is equal to gamma or the unit weight of a certain liquid divided by yung unit weight ng water. So, yung liquid dito is mercury. Ayan, so para makuha is, so yan, gamma ng unit weight ng mercury times unit weight ng water times the SG. Yan. So, dito galing yan. Okay. Baka nalito kayo or nag-wonder kayo kung saan galing yan. So, yan. 9.81 times 13.6. Yan yung unit weight ng mercury. So, yan. Isalpak lang natin. So, P now is, P is equal to, so 9.81 times 13.6 times, so ito is kilonewton per cubic meter siya. So, yung H natin is naka-ano siya, mm. So, gawin natin siyang meter. So, 700 mm ay equivalent lang siya sa 0.7 meter. Ayan. So, yan na yung gamitin natin, 0.7 meter. So, para ma-cancel, and then maging meter squared na lang siya. So, P now is equal to 9.81 times 13.6 times 0.7. So, the answer is 93.91. Ayan, 93.391 kilonewton meter squared or 93.391 kPa. Ayan. So that would be our final answer for sample problem number 12.